Isn't this just so beautiful? Hello beautiful people, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this natural pink lip balm, which you can pair with the pink lip scrub I made in an earlier video. If you have not seen that tutorial, I'm going to link it in the description box. So let's get right into it. The first ingredient that I will be using to make this lip balm is my Vaseline. This is extremely moisturizing. It's going to help to soothe cracked lips and it's going to be the base of this pink lip balm. Next, I'll be making use of honey. Honey contains some enzymes that will help to brighten the lips and to also help in moisturizing the lips. If you remember, I also added in honey in the pink lip scrub. Next, I'll be making use of my lemon oil. You can make use of any other carrier oil of choice, but I am choosing lemon oil because it has brightening effects. And last, I'll be making use of my pink food coloring or red food coloring. You can skip this if you don't have access to it. It's just for the beauty. First, I'm going to measure out my Vaseline. I will leave all the ingredients and their measurements somewhere at the end of this video, so make sure you watch till the end so that you don't miss that out. So now I will measure out my Vaseline, and then after measuring I will mix it well so that it is soft and fluffy, and so that the rest of the ingredients will be able to incorporate better into the Vaseline. Now I'm going to add my lemon oil into the Vaseline. I'll just be using a few drops of lemon oil. As I said before, I will drop the full recipe at the end of the video. So now I'll mix the lemon oil into my Vaseline properly, and then after mixing it, I'm going to set this aside and prep the rest of the ingredients. Here I have my honey and I'm going to put it in a separate mixing bowl so that we can prep it. And I have my food coloring here. I'm going to add the food coloring into the honey and mix it up well. The reason why I'm adding the food coloring into the honey and not directly into the Vaseline is because if you add the food coloring directly into the Vaseline, it might not mix in well. So add it into the honey first. Now I'm going to begin adding my honey and coloring mixture into the Vaseline bit by bit. Now you don't want to add everything at once so that you don't end up having too much of the coloring. So add it bit by bit and then mix it until you get your desired color. So I'll keep doing that until I get the desired color. Doing it this way gives you control over the outcome of your pink lip balm. You don't want it to be too colorful and you don't want it to have less color. So add it bit by bit until you get your desired color, like I have here. I added it until I got this color and I was satisfied with this color. If this color is not pink enough for you, you can add in more. Now I'm going to pack my pink lip balm into my jars. This pink lip balm will brighten the lips, moisturize the lips, and keep your lips looking soft and supple. It will also help you to heal cracked lips as well. If you watched this video till this point, thank you so much for watching and I hope you learned something new. If you did, please hit that like button, share this video, drop a beautiful comment. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section. Bye and see you in my next video. Now here is the full recipe. You can take a screenshot of this and replicate yours. Also remember to subscribe and take a look at the beautiful pink lip balm that we made.